Add more flexibility to your task by selecting multiple options in a single field. With Jotform Boards, you can categorize tasks using multiple choice fields for better visibility and organization. I'm Corey with Jotform, and in this video, I will show you how to use multiple choice fields in Jotform Boards. So let's go ahead and get started. First, inside of your workspace, you want to click on the Create button up here in the top left-hand corner. And from here, you want to select Board down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, you'll see multiple options to get started with, like creating from scratch, selecting a form, using a template, or importing a board. For this example, we are going to choose a template here. And you can browse and select any template you want. You see we have a lot of different options here. But for this case, I want to go with the weekly work schedule template and click on Use this template. Now, once your board loads, we can rename it. So I'm going to go up here to the very top, and I'm going to rename this to Weekly Work Schedule 2026, and then we're going to have it like that there. Now, when you land on Jotform Boards, this is your main dashboard where all of your tasks and workflows are organized in one place. And your board is structured into columns that represent the different stages of work, helping you clearly track progress. Now, let's go ahead and customize this board for our use case. The first thing I want to do is I want to add a new column, and I want to name it Employees. So we're going to click on Add Group, and we're going to call this Employees, and I can scroll over a little bit and see that. Now, this here is where we are going to list our team members. So now I'm going to click on Add Task to create a new card underneath Employees, and I'm going to enter Isabel Anderson. From here, I'm going to click on that to open up that card to manage its details. Now, when you open up a task, this is the detailed view where you can manage everything related to that specific item. At the top, you can navigate between tasks or customize options like adding a cover, a checklist, or task fields. The main section, this shows you the task title along with key details like the assignee, priority level, and the due date. If the task isn't assigned yet, you can easily assign it to yourself or to a team member by simply clicking inside of Assignee like so. You can also adjust the priority levels and organize the task using different tags. Attachments can be added directly to keep supporting materials all in one place, and the description fields let you provide instructions or context using formatted text. And at the bottom, the comments section allows your team to collaborate, share updates, and track communication. There's also an activity section to track changes over time. Now, let's go ahead and add the multiple choice field. To do that, we are going to click on Task Fields up here at the top. Then on the right-hand side, we are going to click on Add Field. Then we're going to select a multiple choice. For the field name, we are going to put Working Type. And then for the options, we're going to say Remote. We're going to add another option. We're going to say Hybrid. And we're going to add one more option, and we're going to say On Site. And then we're going to click on Save. Then we're going to go back inside of our task, and we are still inside of the task for Isabel. And for the working type, we are going to select Hybrid. Now, let's go ahead and add another employee. So we're going to close this one, click on Add Task once again. This time, we're going to say John Doe. We're going to click on it to open up that task. And for the working type, we are going to select Hybrid. And we're also going to select Remote. Because multiple choice fields, they allow you to select more than one option, giving a more complete view of each task. And this makes it easier to categorize tasks by type, department, or workflow stage. Now, let's go ahead and close out of this card to return to the dashboard. Now, you can also filter the task based on these selections. Now, to do that, up here at the top left, we have the search and the filter options. And once we click on the filters options here, you'll see some quick filters like assigned to me, urgent, due today, due this week, and overdue. Now, for more advanced filtering, you can select a condition. For example, we choose a field and we'll say working type. And then we'll say includes, and then we'll change this to hybrid, and then we'll click on apply filter. Once I do that, you'll now see all employees who are working hybrid. And this helps you quickly organize and manage tasks across different criteria. And that's how you can use multiple choice fields inside of Jotform Boards. Categorize tasks, filter smarter, and improve your workflow visibility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.